What's up, people? I hope all of you are having an amazing day. Today, I'm going to discuss about Bitcoin and where I see Bitcoin in the nearest future. Okay, where I see Bitcoin heading towards, and my two scenarios that I am waiting for, and exactly, I'm going to talk about the exact plan that I am following. So let's dive straight into it. First of all, this is the XBT chart. Basically, it is Bitcoin, but on BitMEX. And yeah, let's discuss about it for a second. I'm going to do an Elliott wave count, and using the Elliott wave count, I'm going to try and predict the future. The future move. So, if you're not familiar with Elliott Wave, I highly recommend watching on YouTube or uh, comment down below if you want me to do a detailed video on how to use Elliott Waves. So, right now, let's dive into our counts. So, the first count, obviously, following this strong uptrend, I am looking for this ABC. Please pay attention to what I'm saying here if you want to fully understand what I'm looking for, because I have some very interesting things to show you right here. So, the first scenario would be this as an ABC. Okay, if this is an ABC, obviously what we are seeing right here in the short term should be a symmetrical triangle, right? Now, many of you would say this is a continuation pattern. It looks like a continuation pattern, but if this is an ABC, I honestly would like to see this one break up. If it breaks up, oh god, Bitcoin is bullish, because if it breaks up, I think Bitcoin will follow this plan that I'm going to highlight right now. So I'm going to choose the logarithmic chart, okay? And now I'm going to zoom out to the weekly, okay? I'm going to delete this and this and this, and obviously I'm going to do a higher time frame Elliott wave count. So as I said, if this breaks up, then what we have here is a very, very solid 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And let me show you what could be taking place right here. I think we would range, form a triangle before we actually break out. Okay, so this obviously the breakout would be the final breakout before we actually enter a bear market. Timing it's a little bit hard to time, but don't look at the I don't think it will happen in 2023. Obviously, a little bit more early. That's what I think. Maybe uh, after 3 or 4 months, we're going to see a very big breakout in price. So this is if we hold here, okay, coming in from the daily perspective. As I said, I'm looking for this one to be an ABC. Okay, ABC. Just a second. Let me put it here once again. A, B, and the C. Obviously, I would like to see it break higher. Now, the question is, what if we don't break higher? Well, if we don't break higher, then I think we are in a little bit of trouble. And let me explain why. So, uh, the thing is, this move down right here is very long. Okay, this is a very long and a very extended push down. This is typical. Okay, this push down right here is typical to a wave 3 uh, structure. So this means, okay, this means that we can see a 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5. Okay, so yes, uh, another push down, I know many of you don't want to hear this, but it is a reality. You know, we we actually have to we actually have to be careful with this. Obviously, this looks very identical to a wave 4. Okay, uh, consolidation, symmetrical triangle. We will get one final push down to around 25K, but it doesn't mean that the bottom is in. It means that, so if we see a breakout down, I think this is going to be very, very, you know, uh, bearish in terms of Elliott wave, because obviously 5 waves down means that it's a new impulse down. Okay, so we'll be getting our push down, then a bounce, something like this and like this. Okay, get an ABC. After this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we will get an ABC count, sorry, an ABC correction. But obviously, this wouldn't be bullish. Okay, I wouldn't be FOMOing in. I will try to sell my bags as expensive as possible because we could be entering a bear market. Okay, obviously, I might be wrong. We could get a bounce and continue higher. Okay, but uh, something to watch for. If we do break down, then 80% chance we actually move below the low, below 28,000. Okay, roughly to around 25, 24,000, and then we will get a bounce. So this would be an extra $10,000 drop in price. And this is why I'm telling you, be careful. Obviously, it wouldn't be a good idea to sell here because I think the bounce will be coming, you know, but it will be very bloody. So this is actually my plan for Bitcoin. Two scenarios. I know exactly what to look for, and right now you also guys know exactly what to look for. Um Obviously, as I said, you want to see price hold. It's very important. Right now we are at support once again, and let's take a look here at BTC. What I said days ago, I was actually looking for a push down to the weekly. Okay, so a push down to the weekly. Take a look once again, looking for a drop. And now what we have got is the drop exactly to the weekly. So we price was around here. We got the drop exactly to the weekly. We bounced. Uh, I wouldn't I wouldn't actually be surprised if we see one attempt lower before breaking higher. It wouldn't be a surprise for me, but yeah, this is a key level to hold right here. This 618 Fibonacci, this golden pocket right here. Okay, golden pocket bounced into the 0382, and now we're seeing the dump once again. So yeah, I think this was it for today. Thank you for watching, and I will keep you updated. Cheers, have a good day. Bye bye.